I have a small EVAP leak in this BMW, and I believe it's the purge valve. So let's diagnose today if my P0442 code is the breather valve or it's something else. We could clearly see that the clip right here is broken off. So let me show you how to verify your purge valve if it's good or not with the multimeter. Put in the comments, what do you think, what else should we diagnose? So we're going to start with the purge valve. Okay, we got to remove the airbox to get better access into it. So we're just going to unplug here, remove our air intake duct, put that next. We need to loosen. There's a hose clamp. We just need to loosen that at the bottom, and a second one over here, and then just rip out. This is held by a bunch of grommets in place, so we got that all loose. And first thing, we just got to remove our vacuum line there, and there we go. And we just gotta get the last grommet. Now let's unplug the purge valve from the throttle body. It is on the firewall side, just right there. Now press the two tabs and just pull it out. It is going to be a little bit frustrating. Unplug the electrical cable by pressing the metal tabs in and pull it out. Unplug the vapor on by pressing the tabs just like this and pulling it out. All right. Okay, so we have the old part out of the car. We could clearly see that the clip right here is broken off, and that's most likely what's causing the small leak because it's not seated all the way. But first, let me show you how to verify your purge valve if it's good or not with the multimeter. I'm going to set it to ohms. I'm going to take the 2 leads. Doesn't matter which way. We just got to take and just plug it in. Get a connectivity going here until you hear the beep, and we can see it's 34 ohms. My research shows it should be about 27 to 40 ohms for a good valid one. Put it in the comments otherwise. Let's take a look at the good one to see how that's the same. And we got 34 exactly the same. So now let's take a look at the other part to verify your purge valve. First, we want to blow into it. We could no air is coming out, meaning that the purge valve is closed. So we're going to attach a 12-volt battery. We have one here from just your standard Milwaukee battery. I have some leads hooked up already. So if I touch it gently, you can hear that clicking. That's going to open up the valve. So let's do it again. You can hear that. So let's try. Now that I'm going to blow. You can hear the purge valve working well, putting the air through it. So we know the purge valve is good, but the clip is broken, so we're going to replace it with a good one. And that's it. We hear a nice click. Now we gotta sneak out the vent. Well, it's somewhere over here. We'll get that in a second. It's gonna be a little bit harder, but we're gonna attach the vent cable into it here, and now we're gonna plug this into our manifold, and we want to make sure we heard a click, so it should be all good now. Okay, now we're just put everything back together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BMW content.